Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing the device and launching the checks. First, make sure the device is charged or plugged in so updates won't interrupt. Once powered and on Wi-Fi, back up any critical files. Updates can fail. Now close resource-heavy apps and open the System Store or App Manager. You're going to scan for available updates manually. This forces the latest metadata to load, so you don't rely on cache status. Begin the scan and note any apps marked as outdated. Once done with the initial scan, inspect each update listing carefully. Look at the update size and any permissions or API changes because those affect data and storage. Prioritize security patches and system-integrated apps first. They reduce risk immediately. Make sure to read short change logs to spot breaking changes that could disrupt workflows. If multiple large updates appear, stage them. Update essentials first, reboot, then continue with optional apps. To limit down, you'll now apply updates carefully. Install in small batches and reboot after critical ones to finalize system integrations. Monitor progress and verify apps launch correctly after each reboot. If an update fails, retry once, then clear the App Store cache, free storage, and attempt again. These steps fix most issues. Make sure your backup and rollback plan is ready so you can restore if something breaks. If problems persist, collect error messages and contact support with your device model and app version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.